great or powerful. Share with us, let's make it loud. Merry Christmas to the crowd. Ho, 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 let's go. Mistletoe magic, go, go, go. Snowflakes sparkle, cheer takes flight. Merry Christmas, all tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I direct your attention to something quite extraordinary, quite incredible, quite unlike anything you may have experienced in your life.
She was afraid to come out of the locker. She wasn't nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would say,
2, 3, 4, tell the people what you wore.
it was an itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny yellow polka-dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny yellow polka-dot bikini, so in the locker she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
She was afraid to come out in the open, so a blanket around she wore. She was afraid to come out in the open, so she sat on the lawn.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what you wore.
It was a itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny yellow polka-dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny yellow polka-dot bikini, so when the light is she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
Now she's afraid to come out in the water, and I wonder what she's gonna do. Now she's afraid to come out of the water, and the poor little girl's turning.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what you wore.
It was an itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny yellow polka-dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy-bitsy teeny-weeny yellow polka-dot bikini, so in the water she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
Wow, that was so